Editing the shell properties. Now you will edit the thickness of the shellable prism you have just created, and you will also remove one of its faces. In the previous task, while adding the shellable prism in the specification tree, the application also created the Shell Properties 1 entity. Double-click Shell Properties 1 and look at what it contains. The Shell Properties dialog box displays a thickness value that applies to the prism. Enter 1.5 mm. Select the bottom face as the opening thickness. Clicking this icon displays the faces to remove dialog box that allows you to view the list of all of the selected faces. Remove any face clicking the Remove button. Replace any face using the Replace button and selecting a new one in the geometry or the specification tree. Click OK to confirm. The part now looks like this.